What's up guys, this is John from Jalen Winelton bringing you another Model 3. This one we finished up with the satin black chrome delete. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of up close shots of the chrome delete that we offer here. It's all custom, as you guys can see there. Side view mirrors as well, get completely wrapped all the way. Trying to give you guys as much detail as possible. There you guys go, so you guys can see. And then when the side view mirror also closed, none of the chrome is exposed as well. And then here's the door handles right there. These ones get wrapped around as much as possible to where you can't see any chrome when they're closed. If you tried opening them, you see a little bit, but not too much. There you guys go. This one we also did a Renault Phantom S9 35% all the way around with our 3M security glass window film as well. There you guys have it. You know, we've been having a lot of issues in the Bay Area where cars have been getting broken into on the rear quarter, so we've been adding these to all our Renault S9. It comes included. Let's go. I personally like the satin black. It's my favorite, just because it's has a little bit of a sheen to it. Well, there you guys have it. Satin black by 3M chrome delete. I went ahead and did again, like I said, the Renault Phantom S9. This one rejects 92% plus heat, so it is our top seller. There you guys have it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text, DM me. We are located in San Jose, California. We are having some Renault S9 and chrome delete packages available. Same day turnaround.